Today, we're exploring something that's everywhere, in your phone, your home, and maybe even your car. Yes, that is artificial intelligence. In this video, we'll cover: what exactly is AI? The historical journey of AI, from past to present. How it's changing our everyday lives. So, let's get started the video. Hi everyone. I'm 𝐀𝐤𝐿, and I warmly welcome you to my channel, Artificial Intelligence Hub. So, what exactly is artificial intelligence? Simply put, AI is the science of making machines think and act like humans. Now, you might be thinking, wait, how can machines think like us? Well, let's explore that. Just like how we humans learn from our experiences. AI systems are designed to learn and adapt by processing tons of information, analyzing patterns, and then making decisions based on that data. This process is often powered by machine learning. Instead of a human brain, AI uses powerful algorithms and data to mimic human behaviors, solve problems, and even adapt to new tasks. As an example, now let's talk about something you probably use every day. Have you ever asked Siri to set an alarm or asked Alexa to play your favorite song? That's AI in action. Here's how it works.
Hey Siri, how are you doing?
Hi there, I'm pretty good. Thanks.
Alexa, turn on bedroom lights.
Okay.
When you give a command, your voice is turned into data. Then, AI processes that data, figuring out the meaning behind your words, and responds in a way that makes sense, whether that's setting an alarm, telling you the weather, or anything else. Let's move to the next section and explore the history of artificial intelligence. Sometimes we feel like AI is a recent development in technology, but in reality, the groundwork for AI began in the early 1900s. So let's rewind the clock and take a look at how we got from the early ideas to the powerful AI we interact with today. Our story begins in 1943, when two brilliant minds, Warren McCulloch and Walter Pitts, proposed the first mathematical model of a neural network. This was the foundation of what would later become the backbone of AI. Sounds cool, right? But it doesn't stop there. Fast forward to 1950, and we have Alan Turing, one of the greatest minds in computing, introduced the Turing test. This simple idea was meant to check if a machine could think and act like a human. In 1956, AI got its big break at the Dartmouth Conference when John McCarthy came up with the term artificial intelligence. This was a game changer. It officially kicked off AI research, pushing scientists to explore how machines could learn and think like humans. And guess what? That moment set the stage for all the amazing AI technology we use today. Back in the 1950s and 60s, AI had its first little wins. Scientists have made programs like Logic Theorist and General Problem Solver. These programs could actually solve problems kind of like how we do with logic and steps. It was like teaching computers how to think for the first time. Pretty cool, right? Then came 1966, and guess what? A computer scientist named Joseph Weizenbaum created something amazing. The very first chatbot. Her name was Eliza. She could actually chat with people and respond like a human, well, sort of. It was the first time people felt like they were talking to a computer. After all the early excitement, things started to slow down in the 1970s and 80s. This time is called the AI winter. Why? Well, AI wasn't growing as fast as people had hoped, and many big promises weren't being met. So, funding and interest started to drop. It was a bit of a cold and quiet time for AI. In the 1980s, AI made a comeback with something called expert systems. These were smart programs that could make decisions like human experts. One famous example was 𝐀𝐻𝐿. It helped doctors figure out what was wrong with patients. Pretty awesome, right? AI was back on track. In 1997, something huge happened. IBM's computer Deep Blue actually beat world chess champion Garry Kasparov. Yep, a computer beat a human at chess. That was a game changer. In the 90s, AI started getting even better with machine learning. That means instead of just following rules, computers began learning from data. Tools like support vector machines helped AI spot patterns and make smarter choices. It was like AI was leveling up. In the 2010s, AI got way smarter with deep learning. Researchers started using neural networks, which are kind of like how our brains work, to make AI smarter. With the help of powerful GPUs, it could handle huge amounts of data super quickly. In 2012, AlexNet came along and completely changed the game. It changed how AI sees pictures, helping it understand them just like humans do. This breakthrough opened up a whole new world for AI, from self-driving cars to facial recognition. In the 2020s, AI got a lot better at talking to us. With advancements in natural language processing, NLP, machines like ChatGPT and BERT can understand and chat with us just like humans. It's like having a conversation with your computer. AI is helping out in so many areas now, like healthcare, finance, and even transportation. It's also making robots smarter and more helpful, making our everyday lives a lot easier. AI is also getting super creative. With generative AI like DALL-E and Midjourney, you can now make amazing images just by telling the computer what you want. It's like having your own personal artist. So, where does AI stand today? Well, it's everywhere, and it's only getting bigger. AI has become a huge part of our lives, helping us with everything from simple daily tasks to solving really complex problems. And the best part? Its importance is only going to grow. Whether in our work or personal lives, AI is going to play a huge role in shaping the future. So, this was the journey of AI, from its early beginnings to where it stands today. Stay tuned for the next exploration about AI. Thank you for watching.